Hello again, everyone. It's Vince for here from Trading Winds. It is July 16th, and it was quite the day on the markets. Have a look at this breakout on the Dow, up 740 points. Where did this come from? Let's have a quick look at the components of the Dow 30. And, well, American Express stands out here, up over 2%. Caterpillar played a big role in today's move, CRM, a smaller move. Goldman Sachs following through. Home Depot up with a nice 3% move, and McDonald's as well. Quite a big one, but the biggest one was UNH here, up 33.5 points. Just a crazy day. So, something different other than tech stocks, right? To talk about. So, pretty interesting here. Sorry, let me get my watch list back. Here it is. And let's go through the other charts. The S&P up 34 points, a nice gain as well. Nasdaq, very quiet, up 14. But those small caps, look at the small caps, just keep ripping higher. So all about the industrials and the small caps. What's more impressive here with the small caps is just how quickly it is cutting through all of this activity. So the 2350 level now comes into focus here. It looks like we should have no problem getting there, but if we do, the upside overhead, is going to really open up. So that is what's interesting with the small caps. If we look at crude oil, had a down day, down a buck 15. Gold, on the other hand, breaking out a new high here. This is a really good look for gold here as well. Let's look at the monthly. There it is. And there it is on the daily, a clean breakout. If we follow through that, it looks very, very bullish to me. Silver as well. Silver actually has a re-entry signal here. Now, it is slightly behind gold, meaning we're not breaking out to new highs, but we are still in a very, very good position here as we sit above this recent high and heading towards these highs here. So gold, silver, small caps, industrials, all looking really good today. The dollar slightly lower here. There's just one chart that I want to focus on today, and that's SLV, which is the ETF for silver. Here it is, and on the daily, and there's that reentry. And yes, we've gone sideways here for the past week or so, week and a half, right? Just kind of consolidating, but we do have an upward slope. We are above this orange line, which we marked back here, these prior highs here. So if you recall, when we moved above that high, we only had the all-time high to look forward to, kind of ripped through there and came back and retested this level. And sorry, I don't think it's the all-time high. No, it's not. But this recent high, and retested that level, and now it's clearing that high. So again, there's a lot of open road ahead. Let me bring out volume by price. You can see all the heavy stuff is behind this, which is actually a huge positive. If we were to get in here and it turns on us, we know we have a lot of support, giving us plenty of time to get out of there with a small loss. So that's always comforting. But looking at the road ahead, it is wide open for silver. And it certainly looks really good to me. So, generally, I don't really like these buys or reentries that happen away from the 20, but this isn't all that much. And dollar wise, it isn't really a lot of risk here. So I like this. If there's follow through, this is what I'll be looking at tomorrow, are the shares of SLV, the ETF for silver, and and we go from there. But there were a few other setups tonight, but either excuse me, I'm having trouble listen to me, I'm having difficulty talking tonight. I apologize. They were either way too close to the next earnings event, or the options just were not liquid enough, and that's why I ruled them out. But SLV, I do like. Now, we are having another live market chat tomorrow. That's 10 a.m. Eastern. Really hope you can join us. But until then, enjoy the rest of your evening, and we'll see you on our next update. Take care.